Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Vidisha Shen. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel. So today I will create this eye makeup. So let's begin. First I will prep my eyebrow. I am using Nykaa Wow My Brow Kit. Combing my hair downward and filling the gap. Now combing upward and filling the lower gap. Today I am using all drugstore products. I will mention all the products' name in my description box. Combing everything together. I am using NYX Concealer shade CW05. First, taking a little bit to clean brow areas and applying all over on eyelid as well. With damp sponge, blending it very well. Now taking Wet n Wild contouring palette, using this banana shade as setting powder, using same damp sponge to blend it. Repeating the process for my under eye as well. Taking Makeup Revolution Pro palette, using upper hand to define my crease. I am moving brush with light hand. Taking underdog and with a flat brush, placing it outer and inner corner. This eye makeup is called Spotlight Eye Makeup. Joining these two colors with a blending brush. Now taking Wet n Wild eye palette, using this deep plum color, repeating previous process. Taking Ricochet to make it more dark. Taking Haunted from same palette. Always relax your wrist when you are blending. Taking same concealer, placing it in the middle of eyelid. And blending with fingers. Using gold shimmer color from Nykaa palette. Again using finger to blend it well. Taking underdog to mix colors together. applying Haunted to blend everything well. Taking these light shades from another MR palette and fading the harsh lines. Using Lakme Kajal for today. It is a very pigmented kajal. Using my all-time favorite Lotus eyeliner. I have made another video where I have shown the simplest process of applying eyeliner. I will give link in the description box. If you want, you can check it out. Applying kajal. Again taking underdog to add color to lower part. Darkening the color with Ricochet. I am just joining lower line with upper wing. Following thick to thin process. Applying same liquid liner to make it more dark and smudge proof. Sharpening inner corner. It gives a good shape to your eye. Taking same gold color to highlight inner corner as well as brow bone. It's almost done. Preparing my lashes for falsies, so applying Lakme mascara. Using Nykaa OTT Drama lashes. And it's done. Comment down below and let me know how is it. You can wear this eye makeup with any shade of purple, blue, yellow or off-white outfit. If you like this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So see you in my next video. Bye.